Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week $4.69. So I'm just going to figure out how I'm going to break this up into all of my envelopes. I already know in my wallet, this week I'm going to stick with my $170. I think next week I'm going to bump it up a little bit because I have a little bit more money coming in next week. But I have spending, I'm going to do 30, which I've been pretty good this week on spending. Groceries, I spent it all this week, so 80. Eating out is 30. I almost spent some of this yesterday because my coworker and I wanted to go get some lunch. But we asked our boss's son and he ended up paying for us to go to lunch. So yeah, I thought I was going to end up spending like the majority of that on lunch yesterday, but now I have it, so that's pretty good. So I usually put 30 in there, so I've only spent 10 this week so far. Coffee is going to get 20 and buffer is going to get 10, so that's 170. I already figured out all the denominations for that one. All right, so I'm going to go into this binder right here. Ooh, actually no, I need to start with the savings first because there's some savings challenges that I already kind of figured out ahead of time that I need to write in. Oh, I need to put Go Wild here too. Go Wild. Okay, so this one is the roll the dice. I already rolled last week when I cashed stuff. So I'm going to put roll the dice on here, and then I'm going to put $8 since I already figured that one out. And then the other one that I already figured out is this one right here, because I'm just going down the line. This one, the next one is 20. So this is the 52-week challenge. And that one is going to get 20. Okay, so let me get my calculator. And I don't know if you can see this on camera because, oh, no you can't. Okay, let me try to adjust this a little bit so you can see it. All right, cool. So I'm gonna try not to mess up with my calculations because that happens sometimes. So 469, we have the 170 in my wallet, 8 for the roll the dice, and then 20 for 52 week. Okay, and then I think I'm just gonna figure out the 100 envelope since I don't have as much to work with this time around. What am I at? I'm at 271. I'm just gonna go with, I think 18 in the 100 envelope. Oh, my pen is not working. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so yeah, I'll do 18 in the 100 envelope. Okay. And then I think that's it for, well, I'll come back to this one. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in here and just go down the line when it comes to the envelopes. And for me, like, I just kind of figure out, I just kind of look at like what I have in here and just, I'm trying to figure out how to explain like how much my reasoning behind how much I put in things. Since I don't have as much, it's probably going to be like more 10s and 5s that are going into these envelopes. But like the more important ones that I need to get more into, I'll do like 15s and 20s and things like that. So beauty, I spent everything in beauty. I finally got my moisturizer. So this one I want to do 10 because I do need to get toner soon. So yeah, 10 in there. Clothing, I have 13. I'm gonna do another 10. I actually need to buy like a nice top or something for an event next week. So clothing, 10. Content, I have 40. I think I'm just gonna do 5 because 40 is pretty good for content. All right, and then Costco, I haven't been putting as much in here because I haven't had any leftover money, and as you saw in my wallet, I had 0 in my groceries because I usually put the rollover from groceries into Costco. I'm not gonna have anything to put in here this week, so I'm going to put 10 in here. Okay. Disney is going to get, I'm not going to Disney for like a month. So I have some time to save in here. So I'm just gonna put 5. Extra debt. Okay, this is one that I usually put a higher amount in, so I think I want to do 25 for this week. Family, I have 20 in here. I'm just gonna do 10. Fun, I still need to put a tracker in here. I think I'm just gonna do 5 for fun. Holiday decor, I'll just do 5 in there. Home decor, I think another 5 would be good. Household, okay, I do need to pick up some things like toilet paper. So I'm just gonna, I have 8, so I'm gonna put 20 in household. Planner stuff, I'm gonna put 5. And Target, I'm going to put 15. Okay, so that's it for this binder. And then the next one is this one. Oops. Okay. So, auto repair. I have 155. I'm just going to do 5 this week in auto repair. Christmas, I do like to put a little bit more into Christmas each week. So I'm gonna do 15. Okay, electronics, let's do 10. Oh, I forgot to put emergency. Okay, let me do emergency. I'm gonna do, I forgot to add it in here, I must have skipped over it. I'm gonna do 10 in emergency. Right now I have 210, that's pretty good. Furniture, I'm gonna do, I have 105. I'm just gonna do 5 in furniture. Gifts, I'm going to do 5 as well. Oops. 5. Okay. Registration is going to get 5. I'm going to match what I put in extra debt, so 25. And treat yourself. Okay, so that's it for that one. And then I have, where am I left at? 43? Okay. In here, I have Go Wild. I'm going to do I kind of want to do 25 because I have 1,075 in here, and if I do 25 I'll be able to color another llama in. So yeah, let's do 25, and then I'm left with 18, so I'm just gonna put that into savings, into like savings challenges. So 18 minus 18, and that's 0. Okay, so that's kind of my breakdown for this month. Now what I'm going to do is just do the denominations and tally that up and then see if everything comes out correct. All right, so beauty, that's gonna be 10, 10. There's gonna be lots of 10s and 5s this week. Disney is 5. Okay, extra debt is 25, so 20 and a 5. Family is 10. We got 3 5s here. 20 for households. Planner stuff is 5. Target is a 10 and a 5. Auto repair is 5. Christmas is 10 and a 5. Electronics 10. Furniture 5. Gifts 5. Registration 5. Treat yourself is 25. 25. Go Wild is 25. Okay, so roll the dice is 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 52 week is 20. 100 envelope is 18, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. Emergency is 10. Okay, savings, I want to do, let's do, okay, I'm going to do $10 in 5, so that's 2. And then the rest in ones, 8 ones. Okay, I'm going to take this off the discs. Okay. Now I'm going to tally up the amount, or the dollars, the bills. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 20s. Ooh, this pen does not want to work. Let me try a different one. No. I think it's this paper. I don't like this paper that I bought. I need to go, and I got it at Walmart and it's not my favorite. Let me try to find a better pen. Just gonna use this marker. Okay, so we have 8. And then I have for 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25s. And then for 1s, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 19. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19. Yeah. Okay. So 8 20s. 8 times 20 is 160. We have 140. Is this 120 times 5? Yeah, 119. And then that will total out to 160, 140, 119, which is not correct. Wait. 160, 140, 119. Not. Oh, I know what I did. I forgot to tally the 50. So it's 50, 469. Okay, that was an easy mistake. All right, so now that makes sense. So I'm going to go to the bank and I'm going to get 150, 8 20s, 14 10s, 25s, and 19 ones. And that is going to be it for my cash planning for the week. I will have a cash stuffing up on Sunday, so definitely check that out. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.